So yesterday I have shown you guys how to place the vertical brackets onto the 32-inch TV. Alright, so today we are going to place this 32-inch TV on this drywall. Okay, this is just a mock-up drywall. I'm just going to do it to show you guys how to do it. So this is the TV mount from CondoMounts. Alright, so I'm going to just make this mark first. Okay, so when placing your TV onto drywall without any metal studs, you got to make sure that you do at least 4 holes. And I'm going to use the meter right here and just make these markings to mount my TV. So here you could see the elephant anchor, which is also from CondoMounts. Alright, so these are called elephant anchors, and this is what I'm going to use to mount a TV on drywall without any metal studs. Right, so no metal stud, no worries, because we're going to use these elephant anchors to mount the TV. It's really strong, it's easy to use. So if you are going to drill the drywall, you better place a bag underneath so that you could collect the dust from the drill. And because I'm just drilling on a mock-up drywall, it's just some plexiglass, I'm not going to place it. Right, so let's start drilling right now. I'm going to show you how to use these elephant anchors right now. Firstly, these are the elephant anchors by CondoMounts. Also, again, it's under a different brand called elephant anchors. So what you got to do first is you just got to see this metal plate right here. You just make it horizontal like this and you insert it through the hole that you have just made. So here's the hole, and I'm going to show you how to do it clearly. Okay, just turn this metal thing and just insert it through the hole that you have made on your drywall, and see what happens to the metal thing right here. It gets, this vertical, and it clips itself to the drywall, behind the drywall. So then what you do is, you see this clip right here? So what you must do is you just pull this clip to make sure the elephant anchor is tight on the drywall. There you go. So when it's tight, okay, you can just leave this extra clip right here. You won't be able to mount anything if you leave it there. So what you gotta do is you just, you don't have to use a saw, you don't have to use a drill, no. You just pull this up and down, and you are done. So as you can see, I'm done with the elephant anchors. I'm gonna next place this TV mount onto the drywall, and these are all screws included in the mounting kit like CondoMounts and elephant anchors. So let me just do this. Alright, I'm going to show you what really happens with the elephant anchors behind here. So these are the screws given with the elephant anchor set, and there are also these washers. Right, so when you place the screws into the elephant anchor, right, what happens is the screw attaches to the metal plate behind, and it clings itself to the drywall so that your TV mount is really stable and steady. Stable. Yeah. So that is what happens behind the drywall. So as you can see here, it attaches to the metal clip right there. Right. We have successfully placed this TV mount onto a drywall without any metal stud behind. See, I told you we could do this, alright? So I'm going to place the TV right now. Do you remember the TV where I placed the brackets behind the TV? So I'm going to place the TV right now. So what happens behind is it attaches itself to the back of the TV, and there you go. You're done placing the TV onto a drywall without any metal stud behind the drywall.